What's going on? It's Bapetown here with another video, back from beautiful Paris. If you haven't already, you can check that video out. Now today, we're going to be looking at some fire collabs. One that dropped at the very end of last year, Bape Undefeated, and just recently, Bape JJJJound. Alright, so Bape Undefeated, just like every collab, they drop a collection of stuff. They tend to drop something every few years. One I definitely remember, 2018 Bape Undefeated Timberland.
Here he is winning the three-point contest without even taking off his warm-up or his Timbs, nigga.
And then, here we go. 2020, they did a fairly big one. The whole Adidas original Bape Undefeated.
50,000 in a draw at the W with some and every time I score, it's a W for the villains.
Alright, just like always, we're gonna start off with the knickknacks and then build our way up. So they dropped two kinds of hats, these snapbacks and a bucket hat. Didn't cop the bucket hat because, well, so this collection's color scheme was the color camo blue and green, polyester in the front, nylon mesh in the back, the Undefeated text logo, and the 5 strikes all throughout the camo. And then right up front, a face with the 5 strikes. The highlight under the brim on the color camo blue is color camo green, and for the color camo green snapback, under the brim is color camo blue. You know, I'm not a big hat guy.
You a savage. I accuse me, you, and just like me. Whatever happened with me, sexual act, it had to be something.
But yeah, it's alright. What y'all guys think? Alright, moving on up, we got the tee. And here it is, just like the classic Bape college tee. Right up on front, instead of a Bathing Ape, you have Undefeated Bape. But wait, Bape has taken L's before, so it wouldn't be undefeated. Yo, chill. Bape, I'm just playing, man. And then instead of the 8-pair logo, you have the Bape Undefeated logo. Here on the bottom left, I would say the highlight of the tee, we have a flight ticket graphic. Alright, let's see what we got here. Flight from Narita, Tokyo to LA. That's a long ass flight. No gate number, but dang. At boarding time, 5 in the morning? Hey, but my guy is sitting in 5C. Usually 10 and under, that's first class.
I thought he was getting those first class tickets, but he lied.
Pretty cool graphic. And here's the back. Bape 05, representing the 5 strikes, and the Undefeated text logo. Also did come in black. Usually the white tee and the black tee are the same, but here, on the white tee, you have the color camo blue, and on the black tee, you have the color camo green. Alright, we on to the more juicy stuff now. The Bape multi-pouch pocket pants. Damn, that's a lot of P's. Polyester material. These bad boys is weatherproof. Majority color camo green with the hits of that color camo blue. We got that flight ticket graphic actually stitched on here, which it actually feels like paper. And the highlight of these pants, these right here, these kind of overall straps that you can actually use, you take these pockets and you can make a pouch bag. And there it is. That's what the pouch bag is going to look like. And of course you can adjust the length. And so the other strap is for the other pouch. Now I'm not going to lie, they are some loud ass pants, but they are pretty clean. Now on to my favorite item in the collection. The color camo snowboard down jacket. And there it is. Actually, let me put this bad boy on. Damn, this bad boy thick.
Raiden, show me who did it. She kinda bad though. Is that Frost?
And there it is. Like I always say, you need one good jacket in your collection. Got the color camo green on the body, color camo blues on the bottoms of both arms. Here the back. Sticking with the whole airlines flight ticket theme, Undefeated Airlines on the top, got the Undefeated logo, 8-pair logo, Tokyo, Narita, Japan, and Los Angeles, USA. And you got a hell of a lot of pockets. Oh, and this is kind of cool. You got a clear pouch pocket velcroed on the left arm. And it's detachable. I do remember seeing somebody walk out the store with it on. Dude must have been super excited. Or it was super cold that day, he just wanted to put on the extra jacket. Overall, clean jacket. I wouldn't mind putting it in my rotation. Well, there goes Bape Undefeated. What y'all guys think? Next up, Bape JJJJound. Now, of course, the Bape JJJJound Bapesters, but we gotta save the best for last. And we will, of course, compare them to the first year's drop. Now, I'm not sure if Undefeated and JJJJound coordinated together, but in this collab, we also got that color camo blue. In their first collab, the color was gray. So they didn't drop hats last year. We got two types this year, one in full color camo blue and the other with the color blocking of white and blue. Now in the first collab, the theme was a tasteful ape. I guess they just stuck with the T's, and this year it's a timeless ape. But yeah, there goes the caps. Simple Bape hat, cotton in the front, nylon mesh in the back, and we have the JJJJound tag on the snap. If it was me, I would go for the full color camo blue. Now I'm not gonna go too heavy on the tee and the hoodie, because this year's collab is basically the same as last year's collab, just this year the color is navy, and on the chest, it's a timeless ape. You know, sometimes if you want to take a small break from the camos, you go for a nice simple Bape JJJJound hoodie. Alright, we on to the Bapesters now. And here they are, the Bape JJJJound Bapesters. Got that all white with the hits of navy, embossed JJJJound on the tab, navy colored sock liner, and insole. These some clean Bapesters. Now let's compare these to the first collab. So actually the first collab came with the extra pair of laces, and this new collab didn't. Alright, and there it is. First collab, second collab. I didn't even notice in the pictures. Let me see if I can get y'all a better look. First collab, much more premium leather. Hopefully y'all can see that. Here on the second collab, regular leather. Yeah, I didn't notice that in the pictures. Okay. Alright, well there they are side by side, guys. Which one would you prefer? Now, of course, the first collab, better quality. But for your boy, I am more into darker colors. So color scheme wise, second collab. But that white and neutral gray is clean colors too. That's a tough one. Well, there goes the JJJJound Bapesters. A nice little break from all the crazy colors of Bape. Definitely recommend. And like always, all sizes available on my site. Link down below. Well, there it is, you guys. Started last year strong, started this year strong, and it looks like we got more on the way. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!